An entire generation of passionate young café racers was inspired by the Thruxton 500 and Isle of Man TT, which gave rise to the renowned Thruxton moniker in motorcycle racing. The Thruxton RS, created and built to extend this tradition, pushes contemporary limits of capability and performance while retaining all the DNA of the original café racer design with pure, original style. All of the Thruxton R's classic characteristics, features, and attributes, for which Triumph is renowned, but with an increased RS specification, improved café racer handling, more modern design, and superb finish and workmanship. With this special upgrade and significant engine improvement, the thrilling Thruxton gains a new RS version that is more responsive than ever before and produces 8 more horsepower and 83 lb-ft of peak torque lower in the RPM range. The new Thruxton RS retains all the salient characteristics, features, and attributes of Triumph's well-known Thruxton R, but it now has more modern appearance, distinctive high-quality detailing, and more nimble and intuitive handling. An exceptional and cutting-edge ride is produced by a unique sport-focused chassis, premium Brembo M50 front brake system configuration, race-derived tires, high-spec suspension, and improved rider's technology. The extensively redesigned 1,200cc high-power parallel twin engines of the Thruxton complements its exceptional equipment with increased responsiveness, a higher peak power of 104 hydrogen phosphide at 7,500 revolutions per minute, along with torque of 83 lb-ft at a lower 700 revolutions per minute. Every aspect of this amazing new bike has been meticulously designed to elevate the Thruxton's already well-established reputation and elevate Triumph's history of café racing. The legend changes with the new RS version. Improvements to the engine include a thin-walled engine's covering, magnesium cam covers, rare earth alternator, lightweight low-inertia crankshaft, balancing shaft, clutch, along with new high-compression pistons along with updated cam ports and profiles with a secondary air systems. When combined, these lead to a new Thruxton engines that can rev higher for longer periods of time and a notable 20% decrease in inertia. The new Thruxton RS offers exciting café racer performance with greater power at lower revs and throughout the rev range, featuring a peak horsepower of 104 at 7,500 revolutions per minute, 8 horsepower more than the previous generation of Thruxton. A 13-pound lighter wear. Upgrades to the engines, such as magnesium cam covers, thin-walled engines covers, and a lighter batteries, can save weight. Brembo master cylinder, dual 320mm floating discs, and M54 piston Brembo radial monoblock calipers. With a fully adjustable Öhlins piggyback rear suspension unit, the Thruxton RS has a unique premium rear suspension technology that adds to the thrilling and exhilarating ride of the café racers. The premium Showa USD adjustable big piston forks are designed to improve Triumph's renowned neutral, nimble, and stable riding qualities while delivering crisp handling that perfectly captures the café racer aesthetic. New Metzeler Racetech RR tires, which provide outstanding grip, trajectory accuracy, and high-speed stability, are used on lightweight aluminum 17 inches wheel rims with 32 bars for the Thruxton RS. Improving riding modes. With the push of a button, riders can now tailor the traction controls and throttle response options on the Thruxton RS to their preferred riding options and riding situations. The 3 upgraded riding modes are Road, Rain, and Sport. The higher degree of contemporary capabilities brought about by the improved rider-focused technologies increase rider confidence and produce an unparalleled Thruxton RS experience.